Check out this other Goji berry tree or bush. Got it growing along this vine here, or this arborist pole. We recycle a good amount of stuff here and use it for training vines. Got an extension cord here. Then pruning stick that broke, old 2x4, but that's how it's propped up. You can see all these Goji berries. Look at that. Those are ready already. When it starts to get kind of red from its orange form, you know it's super sweet and good. Check out the little flowers. Oh look, there's a little bee up there. Thanks bee for giving me Goji berries. Homie. They've been pollinizing my tomatoes down here too. They love the garden. Let's see if I could spot any more Goji berries on this side. The other one only had one branch of them because the birds love that bush a lot for some reason. Maybe they don't see this one, or maybe they just, you know, get full off the other one. Ooh. Look at all these branches have a bunch. You can use the Goji berries to grow on top of your vegetables, provide some shade and berries, and then the veggies could grow down there, and they actually benefit from a little bit of shade. Ooh, it's getting tall. It's taller than, well, it's got like 2-3 little branches, but it's as tall as this peach tree. It's actually pretty fascinating. What you see, Canelo? Except trying to chase the geckos.